Okay, so bili muna tayo ng some stuff here at Royal Duty Free. So, ito na yung mga pamangkin kong nagsha-shopping na.
Dubai Chewy Cookie. Ano? Tara?
Oo man, nakapluhan.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my birthday vlog. And bumalik tayo sa norte ngayon. But this time we are in Subic and our first stop would be for lunch. We're at Extremely Espresso. So tara, kain tayo! Okay guys, so nasa Extremely Espresso tayo. Sobrang classic na kainan dito sa Subic. Magla-lunch tayo before we will check in. Kasama natin si Gabby. So let's wait for the food. Okay naman yung food dito as always. No frills, big serving, straightforward. Yung nag-stand out is for me, yung truffle cream pasta. I like that. And pork chops. Chicken tenders, okay din lang. Actually, almost lahat. Burger is also good. So, if you are looking for a place to eat here, tapos okay naman din yung price niya. Nasa mga around 200 to 500 pesos per dish. Pero yun nga, hefty naman yung serving. So, yun. Okay, next, we'll probably buy some stuff and mag-check-in na kami kasi check-in is at 2 p.m. Abangan nyo kung saan tayo mag-check-in and we're also gonna do a room tour and a hotel review of that hotel. Okay, see ya! Okay guys, we're at Royal Duty Free. We're gonna buy some stuff now. Okay, so bili muna tayo ng some stuff here at Royal Duty Free. Bili tayo mga snacks kung anong makita natin dito. So, eto na yung mga pamangkin kong nagsha-shopping na. Uy, look, giant Hershey's. Oh my God. You want? Let me see. What do you got?
14?
That's $9. Kinder.
10 pesos.
Favorite ko tong Fanta. Gusto kong bumili nitong Fanta strawberry at saka grape. Okay, punta tayo sa lobby now. Yes, that's right.
202 to 04 lang po.
Okay, we're done checking in. It's a breeze yung checking in. I'm just showing you the lobby they have here. Gabe, please hold the card. So, 3 rooms. Roomies tayong 3 and then roomies yung parents mo at saka si Mabi. Okay guys, second floor na tayo. So, our rooms are 202 and 204. So, we got 3 people in 1 room. Pupuntahan na lang tayo. Okay. Room tour! Okay guys, ito yung room natin. So we got the, I don't know what we got. I'm just gonna put the link to Agoda here. Thank you sir for bringing our stuff. So we have 2 single beds. And then nag-extra bed ako kasi 3 kami for this room. Here. And then there's television, our stuff right there. It's quite spacious. Thank you so much po, sir. It's quite spacious. And then, meron pa tayong veranda here na I think overlooking.
God damn, does it open?
It does. Okay, so it does open. Tapos it's overlooking the pool right here. That's our view from here. Second floor lang. Gabi, higa agad. It's a quite spacious room. So puntahan natin yung bathroom. Hindi namin napuntahan yung bathroom. Ayan, nagdi-distribute na ng snacks. Tapos yun din, meron din silang free na water, coffee. Of course, meron din ng ref. And then the cabinets are here. Meron din dito nung safety deposit box. Mag-room tour tayo ng CR, ng bathroom. So here's the bathroom, shower. Right? Hindi ako nagbukas ng ilaw. Yon, thank you. So that's the bathroom. So toilet, and then yan, plus the shower right here. I got this through Agoda. Lalagay ko na lang dito kung magkano. So I'm just gonna put it here how much. We are just going to take a rest and lalagay lang kami ng snacks. We were gonna swim kasi sobrang mainit right now. So yon, samahan niyo ulit kami, but for now, we are going to take a rest. See you later. Okay guys, we're gonna go swimming now. Let's go to the swimming pool area. Okay, so this is the pool area. Tapos they have a pool towel. Just ask Kuya for a pool towel. They will give you pool towel. Hello! We are now at Texas Joe's. So this is another Subic food institution. Okay, andito na kami sa Texas Joe. Texas Roadhouse. Char, specialty nila dito syempre is yung mga ribs and steaks and beef briskets and all that. So that's what we have ordered. Nagtitiktak-toe muna sila habang waiting. Si Mabi naman What are you doing, Mabs?
Ako
You're
meron
drawing.
Sulat yan na lang.
Tapos meron daw siyang greetings pero hindi pa. Taste it.
Oh my gosh, super sarap. It's like ice cream melted. Like 5 subo.
So here, they also have signature sauces. Itong red is habanero hot. This one is Carolina honey. And then original yung white. Alright, guys, let's try out the chicken poppers.
Buffalo number.
Perfect. Alright, let's try the beef brisket first. Okay, Ate Gab.
Plain. Brisket.
Nuts. Oh my God, really? Nice, nice.
Alam mo yung tenderism na TikTok? Tinataga rin. Sabi yun.
Ketchup na naman. Chicken. You guys want to try the chicken?
Sabi. Chicken.
Okie dokie, folks. We're now at Triboa Cafe. Another cafe that I wanted to try here. I think they just opened recently, so we're gonna try them out. Okay, so we are inside Triboa Cafe and I totally love the vibe. Tropical, beachy vibe. Ang ganda ng different offerings nila. They have parang Filipino-inspired na mga dishes. Meron kasi mais con hielo at halo-halo dito eh. So we'll see if they are good. Okay, so I got sea salt latte, so I'm gonna try it. Yeah. I really like the balance of a little bit of saltiness, creaminess, and coffee taste. Si Anton, weird kasi nag-mais con hielo siya. It kind of looks like ginatang mais. Look, guys. Oh, it's like ginatang mais. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, shaved ice. It's shaved ice. Bingsu. And we're also gonna try banana pudding. This is their banana pudding. Look at that. Layers of crackers, banana cream and cream. So let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna get from the loob. Creamy tropical banana. Very sweet. And it has different kinds of texture coming from the toasted coconut, yung mga cream niya, graham crackers, and of course, banana. Good.
Good. Kind of too sweet for a horchata, but it's good for chai.
Mabi, what can you say about the cookie? It's good. Okay. Gabi, what can you say about the horchata?
I like it, but it's too sweet. I think meat niya na. Shut up.
Anton, what can you say about the mais con hielo?
Sakto lang.
Brutally honest.
Hi, morning. Hindi ako nakatulog because nasira yung aircon ng room namin, pero buti na lang pina-transfer or nagpa-transfer ako sa ibang room. So we're now heading to their buffet breakfast. Tignan natin kung goods ba yung breakfast. Magbe-breakfast na lang kami. Tapos doon na lang ako matutulog ulit. Nakon.
Yazo.
Yazo. Good morning, guys. So here's the breakfast buffet. Okay, before I go, explore muna natin yung food. So they have garlic fried rice, may plain rice, egg. Oh, there's lumpia Shanghai, bangus that Gabby likes. I don't know, meatballs, corned beef. And then they do have soup. They have different kinds of fruits, coffee. Meron silang iced tea, water, and they do have egg station dito. Eating time. Time.
So kami, nag-walk kami.
out na kami and now we're here at Nathaniel's kasi dito yata kami mag-lunch and may bibilin other stuff. So, syempre, Nathaniel's, famous naman sila for mga pasalubong. So, punta tayo dito sa pasalubongan area nila. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pasalubong. Ayan. So, meron sila mga cassava cake, rice cake, mochi, halay. Ala, parang gusto ko pang mamili. Ano ba naman? I think I'm gonna buy. Tignan natin yung iba pa nilang tinda. Gab, kumuha ka pasalubong for ourselves. Sobrang... Ayan na, wala na. Hindi na namin napigil. Puto pao. Parang mas gusto ko yung puto pao.
Pura papo.
Okay, kuha ka. So, sikat sila din sa puto pao din. And then they have also other na mga matatamis na pasalubong dito. Oo. May mga chicharon sila. And may mga egg tarts and siomay. Siomay nila guys, masarap din. Siopaw, meron pa dito sa ref. Pineapple pie, makapuno pie, buko pie. Oh, gusto ko to. Parang mahal. Mahal, ayoko. For, butcheroni. Tapos meron din mga cookies dito, tsaka wala, parang gusto ko nung banana cupcake. Ayan, so meron mga ensimada din. Hala ate, ang sarap niyan. So first, let's try the... This is one of their best sellers. That's first time kong makakatikim nito. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pati hindi ako nagnanatanyas. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, wow.
So, mom.
It's like buko juice with pandan. I thought may milk siyang added kasi parang buko pandan, but it's not. It's just buko juice with pandan. Really good. I would highly recommend Nathaniel's buko pandan. Yeah, it's so good. Si Myra eats mo natitikip ng lomi na mukhang solido.
Let's taste the sabaw.
Sarap. Ayan, kwento mo, masarap talaga yung Nathaniel's na talagang nilapag dun sa...
Eh, wala akong pinggan eh.
Ang order ni Mabe is bangus. Hindi ko na na-videohan. Pero favorite niya kasi ang bangus. Wala pa yung order na. Kakain muna tayo ng pansit para sa fiber. Pansit fiber?
Pan-grilled yung pork chop. And then may gravy. With mushroom and
Mushroom gravy.
corn on the side. Grilled pork chop. So may char flavor.
Hi everyone! That's it for our part 2 of my birthday vlog. Thank you so much for watching the video. We're now heading back to Manila. If you want more travel and food videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everybody! Bye!